Today we will talk about a very famous and particular street. It is 10 miles long, about 16 kilometers, and its name is Clinton Road. The street is known to be an area with many events and paranormal, such as sightings of ghosts, strange creatures, and Satanists. There are few houses along the road. It is narrow with 2 lanes, receives little maintenance, and has little traffic even during peak times. As I said before, several paranormal events have been documented, and in addition to ghosts and creatures, there is an interesting story to tell you, that is, that of the old Clinton Road truck. A truck full of lights that presumably appears out of nowhere in the middle of the night, and chasing the drivers until the end of the road and then disappear. There are several videos documenting the existence of this truck. These boys see a truck in the distance on Clinton Road. Usually these trucks tend to make a U-turn to chase the unfortunates, so they decide to pull over and turn off the car.
Get low, get low, get low, get low.
Oh my god, bro. No, I'm so scared. I'm like about to cry, dog, deadass.
Yo, he's like slowing down.
There's 2! There's 2, bro! There's 2!
No.
That's 2, right?
Please stop. Please stop.
Oh, just don't move.
Why do you do this fucking shit, bro? Yo.
Where's the same truck, bro? Oh my god. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go.
All quiet until exiting a supermarket, they see that the truck is right there in the parking lot waiting for them. In this other video, these guys are being chased by 2 trucks. In the meantime, they come across a clown on the street, and once they pass, they see in front of them the 2 trucks that were previously behind them.
Don't fucking tell me you passed on the way back. I don't know, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh, no. Put in reverse. Just go. Go! Put this up. Oh, there's another truck. Just drive. Oh my god. It's the same 2 trucks. What the fuck?
With the car off and parked, they see one of the trucks approaching from the side that steadily accelerates. Fortunately, before the impact, the truck turns and disappears.
He's going straight. Turn last second.
There are those who think that they are coincidences, who say that it is only suggestion, but one thing is certain: spending the night on that road will be one of the most disturbing things you could ever do. Several deaths, accidents, and suicides have marked this road among the famous stories of the Clinton Road. Some claim to have seen a ghost drive a Camaro from a girl who allegedly died in a crash in 1988. This manifestation occurs at night. Another claims to have met 2 night rangers camping with friends near 3 sides of a glacial lake on a ridge, accessible by road on the hiking trails that in morning were revealed to have been the ghosts of 2 rangers who had died on the job right there in 1939.